So today I'll explain how do we upgrade MCU with the flash drive, USB flash drive. So find a USB flash drive. The smaller the better. So this is a 8 GB flash drive, and clear all the files on it and change the format of the flash drive to FAT32. And once you have done that, we have sent you a file, an MCU upgrade file in a zip file. So unzip it and then transfer onto the USB. Once you have, find this connector in the package and just plug it in. And here you'll find a port called update, and just connect that. Make sure to plug in the USB first before you plug in the power. So plug in the USB and then plug in the power. And once the upgrade is, when it is upgrading, the blue LED will flash very quickly. And once it's done, the blue LED will stop flashing, which will only take around 10 seconds. Once it has stopped flashing, pull out the power plug and then the USB, and the MCU upgrade has been updated. Has been done, and now blue LED is normal.